Welcome to our channel Life Insights. Today the topic of discussion is the spiritual secrets that Corona reveals to us. Since from the coming of Corona, the humanity has suffered like anything. Now, what are the spiritual significances of the coming of Corona? First of all, man does not want to live in cooperation with anything, even with nature. He was always violent. He thinks that he is completely different from the nature, and nature is created for his own selfish purposes. Hence, man always acts against the nature. Therefore, the Corona is a kind of reaction to the man's behavior. So, we are compelled to think very seriously about this. It also indicates that the way of life that man led up to now is not correct. He must lead a new way of living. He must know how to coexist with all the beings of the existence. It has been told that man is the supreme being of the existence. But in reality, as the viruses are existing, man is also existing. So man must know how to coexist with all the beings. He cannot go against anything of this existence. This is the greatest lesson that man has to learn from the occurrence of Corona. Also, all the religions of the world are man-made. These religions did not offer any solutions to overcome the dangers of Corona. So, it is the responsibility of the man to find a peaceful way to solve this problem. Man must lead a life of more awareness. He must live a life of sincerity and awareness. Then he can coexist with all the beings of the existence. Hence, much more awareness is needed. Then he can face any life situation as like the occurrence of Corona. Man thinks that Corona is against him, but in reality it is not so. As every being exists here, the virus is also existing. The virus is not at all against him. It is also the part of the existence. We know that the creation is same for all. The source of creation for the human being and the virus is one and the same. So, virus will not harm anybody. So, a better understanding about the working of the virus is the only need of the hour, then this problem can be tackled very easily. Also, man cannot be afraid of any occurrence of the nature, because man is the part of the nature only. How the left hand is against the right hand, so it is not possible at all. So likewise, the corona has not come to entirely eradicate the human beings from the earth. So no need to be afraid of the corona. World is full of problems. Whatever man touches, he turns it as a problem. In reality, corona is a problem. Corona is not a problem at all.